Alright, good afternoon everyone. My name is Alhamdru Da Vinci. I'll be your tutor on how to actually go around the Beulafy platform. So this is Beulafy. What's Beulafy and what's Beulafy all about? The Beulafy platform is an online platform, as you can see, hosted at beulafy.com. It's a SaaS platform that offers web designers and business owners an opportunity to actually create beautiful web design or web stores where they can actually host products and services. So web designers can actually design for store owners can also learn the skill and then design a store for themselves to host their product. So this is the platform. It's a very engaging platform. It offers more than just web design service due to the fact that it hosts its Asian program still on this platform. So this is the video description of or an intro into what Beulafy offers to everybody, not just to store owners but to agents and web designers alike. So this is the home page, and then we have other pages here which I'm not going to talk about now, but in subsequent videos we're going to discuss about it. So this is a marketplace, our market space, where stores are displayed. So we have different stores here, different stores created by different store owners, and then this leadership tab is basically for the Beulafy agents. The best performing agents is displayed per week, per month, per the section, that is a 5-month period. And then the becoming an agent page where you can actually see what the agent program is all about and you can join. And then we also have our about page, this about page now just tells you about Beulafy, so you can go through it. I don't have the time to go through everything. FAQs and then the signing. So this is basically an intro into what Beulafy is all about. It's a platform that offers you an amazing opportunity. Let me show you a sample of stores that have been created on our platform. The top stores. Let me open the tab. Alright, so this is Zebulon, if I'm not mistaken. Funny. So this is the store, a very stunning store created here. So products have been hosted. The future is very amazing. We have the product, and this is the major page, and then we have the cart, we have the marketplace which hosts all the products. We have a beautiful store poster as well, where they can actually download the store poster for their store and then share with friends and family, change it and everything. Is quite cute, understand? So this is what Beulafy offers every individual, being store owner, web designers, the Beulafy agents and stuff. So this is it. Thank you for watching everyone. The next video is a video on becoming a Beulafy agent. Welcome once again. This is the video training on how to navigate Beulafy or to start up as a Beulafy agent. So what is the Beulafy agent program? The Beulafy agent program is a program designed by the owner of Beulafy to actually help young individuals interested in tech to actually learn web design free of charge, and then as they learn. It's a skill they're learning. They learn how to design web, and then they learn digital marketing skills while earning. You understand? So the program lasts for 5 months, but the training is basically for a week, and then after the week they can start earning for 5 months. So they have a chance of earning about 250,000 naira to over 1.2 million naira in just 5 months. You understand? As a Beulafy agent, the system logic is here on how you can actually do it. Basically, Beulafy offers store owners an opportunity to actually own store cheaply. How? They just 1,000 naira, they can be able to actually own a store, rent a store for a month. So this is the cheapest you can find anywhere online. So how do agents get paid? They get paid by creating accounts for customers. You understand? So they go out, get customers, and then create account for these customers, and then they get commission from this said account that they've created. How does the commission work? So for every store they create, the customer pays. Let's say for a month, he pays 1,000 naira. The agent gets 500 naira from it, so they get 50% from it. Do you understand? So this happens for the next five sales they make. What sales? Sales is every payment made for a month. You understand? So 1 month payment is one sale, 2 month payment is two sales, 3 month payment three sales, 4 month payment is four sales, and 5 month payment is five sales. So for every store you create, you are liable to get commission, 50% commission for five sales. Do you understand? For five sales. And then after that, you don't earn from that particular store owner, but you can create other stores, so you have opportunity to create numerous amount of stores to actually get. So for you to actually get 250k, it's just for you to create 100 stores, and then with this same system, the five sales, you get 250,000 naira from it. If you create about 250 stores, you're earning about 750,000 naira. Then if you create at least 500,000 stores, you're getting 1.25 million naira within that 5 month period. Believe me, guys, this is an opportunity which is real, realistic, and achievable. It's not something that is far-fetched, it's something that works. So this is basically it. You can sign up. The videos are down. I'm making the video now. So this is it. So how do you start? We get this. There's a login page for this. The login page. So you can actually register. You understand? You can register. Let me register this individual. Username. Let me just choose Drax. Please, it should be unique. And this, I have used this. Let me use official Beulafy. Hopefully it's not being used. Okay, and then a password. You can select any password of your choice. Ensure your password is secretive and strong. And then you have to select a thumbnail, your avatar. This is a profile picture. Don't mind our lingua. Okay, so I will select anyone here. I don't think I have any durable profile picture here, but let me just select one for the course of this training. And then you can agree with our terms. Please do read our terms and conditions, and then read the Beulafy agent contract. Let me open it in another page so you can see. This is the agent contract. Go through it. You explain everything to you on what a Beulafy agent is, how the commission works, the multiplied rules and stuff like that. You understand? So that's basically it. Then you can come in, agree, and then you sign up. Alright. Nice one. So you can see a success message. You are now registered as an agent. Sign in to continue. You get a mail as well. You understand? You get a mail as well. So you can sign in to continue here. Alright, so this is an agent account. As you can see, your commission balance is 0, your withdrawal amount is 0, but we have your own create new user link here. So this is the link you're using for to create users. You understand? So you must use this link, if not you don't get your commission from it. So we have a tab here for a home dashboard, attempts, manage stores, create new stores. So you can actually create your own store. You understand? But you can't create customer stores from this place. This is for you. So our agent can also own their own stores. So you can manage agents created stores, and then your profile page where you can actually see your profile picture, so the one I choose. So you can add your account details before you make a withdrawal and stuff like that. Add your socials, if not it's not even going to be processed. So there is it. You understand? And then your certification page. This certification page now, you can see We have welcome agents Ademola Adeni. You understand? This campaign is Naman, so this is a Naman campaign. So it depends on which campaign you join. You will see it's going to track the amount of sales you've made so far. So you're making at least 50 sales. You understand? You're making at least 50 sales for you to be able to earn your certification. You understand? So this will help you build resilience. Will help us know that okay, you have worked for this particular certification. The certification is industrial approved, so it's good. Do you understand? So this is basically it. You can interact with it, have fun, go through everything, see everything. You understand? Have fun. So recent sales will be listed here. Withdrawal history will be listed here once you've made that. So we're going to use this though. But before then, let's create an account. You understand? So this is basically what we just have to do. For you to create an account for LT in a commission, you understand? For both as an agent or just a web designer, it's just for you to come here, you copy this link. You understand? You copy this link, and upon copy the link, you're good. This will guarantee you in your commission. Do you understand? So let me paste the link and you can see what's behind the link. So you can see this sign up agents ID, you understand, and then your agent ID is 162. You understand? And then just for you to click open, and then you have a sign-in page like this. What's wrong with this? Is somehow broken. I will check it. But meanwhile, there is it. And please let me take it back before we continue. Sorry. Let me open it in mobile view so you can see it's somehow different in mobile view. Not that different though, but I want you to see it as well. So this is for mobile view. You understand? So this is the nav pan down here. So you just need to click on menu. The menu will pop out by the left, and then you can actually see what you're seeing. Close, and then you can actually copy it. It's basically simple, easy. This and that nav. You understand? So it's something that's straightforward, not that much of a facade. So this is the sign-in page. The sign up for agents. You understand? The agent sign up. So you can sign up using your Gmail, or you can just sign up directly. So let's sign in. Let's sign up a user. Do you understand? All right. The users are signing up now will be in our next video that we'll be making. That will be working both for as an agent, as a regular store owner. You understand? So catch you up in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Alright, so this is a video on how you can actually as an agent and a user, you can actually create a store. Do you understand? So don't mind the interface. So you can actually create a store both as an agent and a user. How can we do this? It's just for you to head into the sign-in page. You don't have an account, so you go for sign up. Do you understand? This, mind you, agents, this is not for the agents. I'll continue with the link I copied already. But for regular users, this is it. You understand? This is the major page we use. So you can actually input your names, or you can just use your Google account. I don't know why this is big. I'll have to reduce it. The website is still on testing. So this is it. For the agent, the same one. The difference is just the URL, your ID is there. So for web designers, agents, and then store owners, it's very simple for you to create your own account. It's just for you to type in your full name. Let me type in this full name here, whoever this is, and then your username needs to be unique as well. So you can just put vet. All these are for tests. So the email will also be unique. Already have an email account with this already. So let me just ensure your email is very true. You understand? Ensure you use a very legitimate email. If not, you not get information passed through to you, and then you will not be able to reset your password and a lot of other things. You understand? You won't get notification upon sales or anything like that. So it's mandatory for you to actually install an email address that is very, very valid. And then you add a thumbnail, your avatar, and then you read our terms and conditions. Then you go up to sign in. Sorry, to sign up rather. So for agents or regular users, it's going to sign in directly like this. So this video is addressing both for agents that have created stores now, for business owners, or for normal business owners working up the courage to actually create stores for themselves. And then for web designers, because agents are also web designers, but we also have web designers that will be using the platform. They're not part of the agent program, so we can work this out like this. So we have this username, or we can use the email. You understand? You can use your email to log in, or your username to sign in. So you click on sign in now. We have the, so this is a dashboard, so we can see a difference for the agents. They can see a difference between the agent dashboard and this regular dashboard for users. Do you understand? So this is it. It's a very beautiful, simple. You understand? Not hard. So this is how to actually create an account as a user, a regular user. Create a regular user account on Beulafy. So you can just navigate through everything. It's basically simple for you to use. You can go to profile, which is basically your settings, where you can actually edit your account details, edit your profile pictures, edit everything there. You understand? Just go through the website. It's very slick, nice, easy, and then that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video description. The next video description will be on the agents, on how to, no, sorry, my bad, and how to actually create stores. Do you understand? Thank you for watching this one. Catch you in the next video. Alright, welcome to this video description on how to actually create stores on Beulafy. So you've signed in successfully. Welcome. We welcome you. This is the interface. So how do you create your stores? We have some tabs by the side here. We have home dashboard, which is still the same home dashboard. We have the themes. Go through our themes. We have manage stores. We don't have any stores to manage, so it will be empty. It's empty, so you have no stores here. So we have a create store. A create store is where we're going to. Do you understand? Beulafy have these mandates. How will I put it? We have this, what we use that. It's one of the fastest platform that you can actually use to create stores. So in less than 10 minutes you can actually create your store and then upload. But for this video description, it's going to take a more time because I'm trying to explain to you for you to learn. You understand? But we pride on that. So how do you go about this? This is your create store page. So you just going to type in your store name. So let's say you want to type in a store name. Let's give the name Ford. Alright, so you can choose. We have fashion, we have products, physical product, we have ebooks. Other categories to be added, so you can choose from anyone. Let me choose fashion, and then a description. You can put a description. Please, the description should be very voiced, lengthy, and good. This is a description for the Ford store. Not like this, please. Describe your store. Do you understand? And then this is one thing I've not spoken about yet. Beulafy offers you an opportunity to actually create two types of stores, not just one. Two types. We have a regular store where you add your products. You understand? And then we have an affiliate store. You understand? So I'm going to create an affiliate video for the affiliate stuff, but this is basically just for a regular store. So a regular store, you select here, but when you're going for affiliate store, you click on this. I'm making a video description for the affiliate store, but for this, it's just for regular stores. So you click on create store, and then voila, your store has been created successfully. Do you understand? Now it's just for us to edit this. So the name has been selected already. We don't have to change the name. Category is fashion. Store description, we have already installed it. And then currency type, depending on where you're from. I'm from Nigeria, so you see the default is Nigerian, but you can change your currency type, and this reflects on your store products. Do you understand? It reflects on your store product. So you can choose different currencies that we have by default: the Nigerian naira, the Ghana cedis, the Kenyan shillings, the ZAR, the EGP, the XAF, on and on like that, the USD and the Beulafy. So we're going to add others, but for now this is what we have. So you can use these. You can even go to default the dollar sign, basically, and then we can go to next. You understand? And then you can see something here. It's updating automatically, so you can see that sample of what you're designing for your store before you're even done. You understand? Before you're done. So before we continue, let me verify something, please. Okay, so you can actually choose your color. I'm not a good designer, I'm a developer, so don't mind my color choosing. So you can choose color. This is coloring your store now. You can choose color two ways. You can either select using this pattern, you understand, or you can even insert it directly in here. Let me insert one so you can see blue. Alright, this is going to be BLUE. Alright, let me put black. My eyes is having issues. Okay, the screen is, but yeah, it's working. So we have blue, but let me use red so it can be seen for red. It's red, so you can see you can choose anyone. You understand? We have two methods. You can either choose here, or if you have a standard color, you can go with anyone. So let me use this one, and then this is for the store background. Basically, as you can see, it hasn't changed so far. And then this is the text color, the color you want your text to be like. Let's just leave it as white. I don't think we have to change it. This is basically white. And then product container. What's the product container? This is the product container: product 1, product 2, product 3, and 4. So whenever you change this container, it's going to affect, it's going to change there. So let's make it yellow. Don't mind me, I'm more colorblind. My screen has been I changed the shade on my screen. So header background now. What's the header? This is particularly the header. Do you understand? I don't know if it's going to show. Alright, this section is the header where we have the home page and other things. Let me change the color so you can see. I know you can see my mouse. Okay, let's make it blue. I don't know if it's blue, but let's go. And then the footer background. What's the footer? The footer is the down part of it where we have the WhatsApp link and other things. So you can change the color as well. Let's put a blue color as well. Alright, so with this we are done with coloring. Do you understand? You just have to tap next, and then you have to insert your mobile phone number, your email address, and your WhatsApp number. These are mandatory. Do you understand? Because Beulafy is designed in a way that accommodates WhatsApp messaging. You understand? That's the basic way of you actually completing a sale. So it's mandatory. You click on next, and then we need an address as well, because Beulafy has a way of selecting your stores, especially when it's in our market space. So people can actually check for your store, a store that's close by, and then they can actually patronize it due to the fact that you are the closest to their location. So it's not mandatory. So you click on next, and then this is socials. You can choose to add these. If you don't add these, you can see the socials here. This is basically for the Beulafy platform, but your own store is going to have something like this. So if you don't put, it's not going to show. So if you put one, it's just going to show one. If you put two, it's going to show two. So ensure to put in the socials directly. Do you understand? This is not mandatory, but you have to put it in. And then next, you have to select category. This is also optional, but this is not optional. Your own product logo. You understand? It's not optional, it's mandatory. So for this product logo, I'm going to select something that's fine. Nice. I don't have anything here, but let me try to locate one. I have something somewhere. Alright, let me go to, where am I? Okay, sorry. Alright, let me select the picture. Okay, let me just pick this one. I've been using this one for a while. Let me pick this one, select, and then you can create update store. This is basically updating your store, and your store has been updated. Now you can come to manage store. It automatically take us to manage store, where you can actually see the store you've created. Visitors, you don't have any visitor, you can edit your store, you can copy the link, you can delete your store, you can make subscription. Do you understand? You can do what? Make subscription. You can make subscription for this store. So that's nice. So after that, you can see your analytics as well. You can see number of visitors and everything. So this is a full-fledged platform where you can actually do everything. So you don't have any active subscription ongoing. You understand? But you can actually see your store. So this is a uh, feature we've added from our previous edition where you can actually see your own store while editing it. You don't have to make subscription for you to be able to see your store. But when you share the link to others now, others cannot access your store except you have made a subscription. If not, you're going to show what? So as long as you're signed in, you can be able to see your store. So let's open it up. As you can see, this is the link, the store, and then the name of the store, which is Ford. So let's open it up, and then we have your Ford store here. We have Ford, we have the description, but we don't have any products here. It's empty, completely empty. And then we have your location and other things. So we have designed a very beautiful store in less than a minute. So this is it. Do you understand? This is the amazing feature of Beulafy we have to offer. Are we together? So that's basically it. So I'll move ahead to actually show you how to activate your store. You understand? I'll teach you on how to activate your store and how to make it functional and how to make a subscription active and other things like that. So let's proceed to that. Thank you for watching this one. So back to this, how to actually make a subscription. We have this page which shows subscribe to a store. We have different stores, you understand, and then subscriptions duration. Do you understand? So you want to subscribe for 1 month, it's just 1,000 naira, 2 months, 2,000, 3 months, 3,000, like that. So let's say we subscribe for 3 months, which is customary. Let's just subscribe for 3 months. And then these, as I said, both for the agents and then for store owners. Store owners, your store is going to be subscribed. You understand? And then for our agents, is you're going to observe two things now. When you've made a subscription, you're going to be the agent. We know we have created and this is designed by an agent, right? So we're going to get a commission that will be sent to the agent account automatically. Do you understand? And then for store owners, your subscription is going to be made for you. For agents, you're going to see your own commission right there, live and direct. Do you understand? So that's cool. This is subscription we're making. So let's click, or let me use something finite like 6 months. Or a year. No, let's use 6 months. Initiate payments, right? And then you can see show pending payments. So we have not paid yet, so you can pay now. You can copy link. Let's just click on pay now, right? Alright, the pay now will bring you here. We have two features on how to pay and two payment system. We have the Flutterwave and Lemon Squeezy, which is for international platforms. Flutterwave also accepts international payment across Africa and Europe, but Lemon Squeezy accepts PayPal. So if it doesn't work for Flutterwave, you can use Lemon Squeezy. Currently now it's down, but with time it's going to come up. So this is the amount you're paying. So you can change your currencies here, especially when using Flutterwave. You can change your currencies here depending on which currency you want to use. You understand, which is customary. And then you click on pay. Alright, it's going to onboard you, and then alright, so we can pay with card, pay with bank transfer. Now let me make a bank transfer to this. And then we have an account number which you have to copy, the exact amount which you have to pay. Exact amount, please. This is 6,000.04. It's based on their own charges, so you have to pay exact amount, and then you okay, it's been made. And then I click I've made the transaction. You hold on. Alright, thank you for making payment. Just hold on. It's going to redirect you to a success page. After redirecting, alright, this is a subscription success. So thank you, Demola, for your subscription. The ID is 147, stuff like this, and then we direct you here. And then we have an active subscription now. Now it's 6 months, right? So you can see from the 4th to the 10th month. So basically, this is how you make your subscription, and then your store normally is open, but as I said, if you're logged out, your page is going to show you what subscription. There's no subscription, so you have to add subscription. So these are showing you how to make subscription. How do we add product to this? As you can see, we have one visitor because I visited the store the other time. That's nice. How can you add products? It's very simple. It's just for you to go to edit. Sorry, my bad. You go to view product. You understand? View product. I should change that to add product. So you view your product, so you add your product. This is basically the same way you can actually um, edit this thing. Sorry, to create a store. Just add product. So what's the product name? Let's say uh, first. My bad. Don't mind me, sha. 101. Please give it something that's meaningful. This is just me. And then let me just type hello. Don't do what I'm doing, please. And then let's say 12,000 because I'm using naira. So depending on which this thing you're using, currency you're using, please insert it appropriately. Then I can make this a future product. A future product means that it's going to be at the top of my uh, product cart. You understand? But others I don't have to add them as future. But whichever one I add as future is going to be the first product you see on my store. So let's add. Let's choose. Okay. I believe. Okay. Let me see. Okay, this is still the same place. So let's see. I'm going to pick something that's cute. I'm just having music here. Okay. Most of these are PDFs. I know I'm selected. Okay, let me just choose Gold Seal. Okay. Upon selecting, you click on Add Product, and then the product will be added directly. That's easy. So product has been added. You just go, you refresh this page, and then uh, voila, you can actually see the product. You understand? So you can see this is a featured product, which is a star product, and then this is the product we've added. And then you can do that for that product. You describe the product as well, and then if you want to buy, you just have to add the cart. Add the cart. You see the coloring we made actually dim the cart. Listen, so you have to be smart in how you actually do it. So basically, you see your order here. They can actually contact via WhatsApp. All this product description will be sent to the person, and the person can choose to complete the transactions there. So this is basically how to actually add products to your cart, and then you can add other products there. At least 100 of it. It's all going to appear there. Do you understand? So that's basically it. I know the agents have been saying, where is my commission? I want to see my commission. I want to see my commission. And don't be alarmed, your commission is available. So now, as we're done with this store creation, we are going back to the agent's dashboard for you to be able to see how the agents get the commission. If you're just a regular store owner, thank you very much for watching. For the agents, let's go on. Alright, agents, let me sign up this account and then sign in the agent account we used the other time so you can actually see the commission that has been made. Okay, this is not the account we used. I believe we used this one for the agent. So let's sign in, and mind you, you can use your Google. So we have total store created. We've created one store. Nice. And you can see the name of the store, right? Ford. And then the subscription duration. Oh, what? Why am I seeing this? Oh, sorry. This is not an agent account. Alright, this is basically the owner's account. Let me go back. I think I made a mistake with the sign up. Let's log out and then sign in again. Why they confuse you? Okay, that's my bad. This is for the agent. Am I seeing drags there? This is it. Nice and easy. So you can see welcome, you have total of sales is one withdrawable amount. This is a withdrawable amount, your commission balance. Do you understand? So you've created at least a total of one store. Do you understand? The total of one store you've created. Recent sales, this is it. You made a sale amount was paid of $4.20 and your commission was 1.275. So if you calculate it, this is approximately the amount you used to get from every store. You understand? So for every store you create, it's 1,000 naira, and 1,000 naira is equals to, from our own rate, is $0.7. You understand? $0.7. So basically 0.7 times five is going to resolve this amount. Do you understand? So this is where you're getting from just a store you've created. You understand? So let's say you create about five stores, you're going to amount to almost 6 point something dollars to over $7. Do you understand? So you create 10 stores, you're going to earn about $10.75. You understand? You create about 100 stores, you're going to earn 100.75 dollars, which is about 200 and something thousand naira here in Nigeria, and then across other African countries and the export. So this is basically how you actually earn as an agent. So let's go back to our certification progress to see how far we've come. Alright, so we have made five total sales. You understand? So you've seen it's increased. This is five total sales because we made a 6 month subscription that time. So it's equating to about 5 months. That's just what we're getting. And then the amount is still 5 months we got and everything. You understand? So be wise and try to at least, I know some will just aim for the 5 months, but how the platform you can aim bigger. You understand? And then the platform appreciates your effort and then we reward you using this particular means. Um, this is basically it. You understand? So this is how the agent program works. Nice and easy. So you create another store, you get your commission. So let's go to the leadership page now so you can actually see uh, our progress so far. So we have a new user which is Drax, right? Which have made a total of one sales. The sales he made was $4.20, and then the commission he made is 1.75. You understand? The weekly champion. This is the only person that has sold in a week. So you have a weekly champion, we have a monthly champion as well. You understand? And then we have a top inner. You understand? So basically, this is how the platform works. It's a very amazing platform, offers amazing features, and then you can actually advance. Sorry, you can actually look through it. There are a lot of pages I've not even opened here, but you can look through it and then see it. This is basically the 5 months winners. Okay, sorry, it's refreshing. I don't think I have time for this. We can also have a 1 month champions and stuff like this. So you can list it for 1 month. So you see in the 1 month range, this smoke is not on the top. Um, but nevertheless, so let's go back to the dashboard. And also we have a short. Let me add these before we leave. We have a short uh, URL, so you can actually generate short URL. Do you understand? So a store is long like this. Maybe you want to share it, you want to something short. Instead of using other platforms, Beulafy actually offers you this opportunity to do that. So you just for you to generate it. Upon generating it, you can use it forever. It's not going to change. You understand? So you can say, okay, if I didn't use it for a period of time, it is Beulafy going to give the link. No, no, no. This is your link that you can use forever. You understand? So you just paste it on your socials, and then for that it redirects you back to the store. So you can use this. That's basically it. And then that's it. Basically, that's the end of it. So Beulafy, from me and myself, Alhamdulillah, and then the team at Beulafy, we wish you a great success as an agent, as a store owner, same to you as well. You understand? You're going to make huge progress, you're going to make huge success. Agents, you're going to make your sales up to the point where you actually in your certification. Your certification is good. Mind you, it's good, beautiful. Let me show you a sample. I have an agent who has earned his certification. Let me send you to an account. Let me sign up to an account that has the agent details. Sorry. Alright, this is it. And then let me type in the password. Hopefully I'm right. Alright, nice one. Okay, I've not saved this one yet. Okay, so this is okay. So he has uh made about 10,000 in commission. So with $10 in commission, you understand? Made about $10 in commission from total of 16 sales and stuff like this. Not up to alright. So this basically is. So let me go and see certification so you can actually see it as well. So once you have closed your certification, you see you made about 55 sales in total. That's 55 sales in total. So you can actually download your certification. You can share it to friends and families. It's going to take time. I don't think we have the time. Okay, you're going to download. I want you to see the sample. This is not a sample. This is not even the certification. It's all beautiful. Okay, open up. I think I've downloaded the certification before. So this is for Emmanuel Allard. You understand? Beulafy agent certification presented to Emmanuel Allard. They for outstanding performance in the Beulafy campaign. You understand? And excellence in web development and affiliate marketing. Campaign is the normal campaign as you're seeing. We have other campaigns that are coming up and then signed and then issued by these and other things. So this is a valid certification offered by the Beulafy platform. And then we wish you guys success. Godspeed everyone. Thank you very much for watching. This is Alhamdulillah Da Vinci. See you next time.